Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate your Gmail account to your AEvent account. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account first. Once you are logged in from the dashboard on the left-hand side menu, just click on Integrations. And from the upper right, click on Add Integration. On the search bar, let's type in Gmail. If you click on this drop down arrow to the right of Gmail, you'll see here the timeline actions that you can do with this specific integration. But for the purposes of this video, we will be adding it. So let's click on Add Integration. And on this pop-up window, you can put in any name you want for this integration, but let's make it easily identifiable in case you'll be adding more Gmail accounts in the future. So for this one, I'll be putting in Gmail Queen. Once you are satisfied with the name, just click on Connect and you will be prompted to select the Gmail account that you want to integrate to your AEvent account. So just select the correct Gmail account and over here on the lower part, just click on Allow. Just have to click on this drop down button to minimize this. And we'll just have to wait for the confirmation that it has been successfully added. And we got that. I would just like to bring your attention over here to the left hand side. You'll see here that the AEvent helper window popped up. This is where you have the option to get more information about setting up your Gmail account. Or if you're all good, you just have to click on no thanks, I'm good. And to minimize this, you just have to click on this drop down arrow. All right, so let's go back to the integrations page. The next thing we need to do is to test the connection between your Gmail account and your AEvent account. So all you have to do is click on the test button. And as you can see here, we have established successful connection between the two applications. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and feel free to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.